Hey everyone, Mark from Eibach here, and this is our weekly recap. I'm the head of marketing here at Eibach North America. I'm also an engineer. As the head of marketing, it's my responsibility to oversee all types of activities, including digital marketing, events, activations. Additionally, day-to-day work looks like checking proofs, communicating with teams, making sure everyone's on the same page so we can offer you guys the best product possible. In this recap, we talk about R&D on our Elantra N-Line, the Civic Type R, and progress on our new Overland Expo build. We started this week by working on the Elantra N-Line. This vehicle had multiple requests for a kit throughout our social media channels, so we brought one in for an initial test fit. Since the vehicle is shared platform, we tested a few of our existing Pro kits, but found that we'll need to create a new kit for this vehicle. More to come. After the Elantra, we got into the Civic Type R. The new FL5 Civic Type R might have some similarities to the FK8 suspension-wise, but we found it's very different. After dyno testing, we found the dampers have a very high rate of valving force, so we needed to find a spring that fits it perfectly. For those looking for a little modest drop and closer to factory feel, we've got the Pro kit. It's a 1-inch drop in the front and a 0.7-inch drop in the rear. And for those of you who are looking for something a little more performance-oriented, we're offering our Sportline kit. This one's a little different. It's a 6.4K front, 6K rear. Found that the spring rates worked very well with the high damping rates we found in the shocks. This kit lowers your Civic Type R 1.25 inches in the front and 0.9 inches in the rear. Through testing, we made sure that both of these kits were great in comfort, sport, and R mode. After driving this thing, I can tell you I am a huge fan and I need a FL5 with a Sportline stat. If you're looking to lower your Durango Hellcat, our special edition Pro kit is now in stock and ready to ship. This kit is a little different than the Trackhawk. It is specifically designed for the Durango Hellcat, so you can expect a nice level ride. This kit lowers your vehicle by 1.6 inches up front and 2 inches in the rear. Get them now from your favorite Eibach dealer or eibach.com. If you plan on being in Flagstaff for Overland Expo West, we'll be there. Come see us at booth F2. We'll be bringing our Maverick we've been working on with some new Eibach goodies. This vehicle just got a wrap thanks to our friends at Beyond Wraps. Up next, we'll be installing our 1552 wheels, new Milestar ATX Pros, KC highlights, a custom front bumper, Pelican cases, and a pair of Rotopacks, all to be installed on our new Dayton Fab bed rack. That's it for this week's recap. Make sure to like and subscribe.